What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Mold Man episode. Beautiful Texas morning, cool, no wind, and the old Garmin is charged up. So we're gonna go try to catch a few crappie. I came out yesterday morning, tried to make a video. I think I caught 9 fish, and I just didn't think it was very good. So came back out this morning. It's a little bit warmer today than it was yesterday, so we're gonna see if they act any different. Hopefully we can catch fish, but got the ACC crappie sticks loaded up. Today I brought out an 11 footer. I've been using the 10 footer. Put away the 13 footer. I didn't like the back seat reel for this style of fishing. I do love it for spawning crappie, but let's get out of here. There's quite a few boats out here today, more than I've seen all year. So let's go pick a spot and see if we can get some crappie in the boat. Guys, look at this. I'm talking slick, calm. But that's what I have to have for this boat. Because it's so light and it's only 16 foot. So any little bit of wind, I'm either rocking or being pushed away from the fish. So let's see if they bite. Alright guys, first drop of the day. Let's see what he does. I'm off of him anyway. Alright. Here we go. Got him. First fish of the morning. And this reel is broken, I think. Ain't a giant, but he's a keeper. Today we're starting out with this little red and chartreuse jig. I think it's you could call it like a crawfish jig, but nice little fish. He going on a stringer. Oh, this fish was super high in the water column, almost at the top. I'll take it though. Oh, big crappie. He's lethargic. Nice, pretty white crappie. Add him to the stringer. Missed another one. Sorry I'm not getting all these catches on film, guys. They're hitting it, and I'm missing them, and then they're coming back for it as soon as I turn the camera off. Then I gotta turn the camera back on because they came and ate it. Nice big old white crappie. I think we got us a white bass, yes sir. Threw into a pile of fish and I knew better than that. Big crappie. Oh, get it here, big girl. That's what we like right there. Big old slab. Alright guys, got a big crappie out front. Let's see if we can get her to eat. These crappie are being real stubborn today. Having to drop on them like 3 or 4 times before they do anything. And a lot of them won't do anything at all. Bump them on the nose just to get them to turn. Here we go. Oh yeah. Another big old crappie. See, that one, I literally just jiggled it in front of her nose for a solid 2 seconds before she reacted. Well, guys, we're having to do a lot of moving to find these fish, but scrounging out a few. That one's all tore up. He got turtle bit or something. I don't think they get bit by turtles, but he definitely got chased by something because he is wrecked. Well guys, I've been out here way too long to only have a few fish, but it's time to go home and eat lunch. I'm starving, and we got us a few. I think we got 7 or 8 in here. So get a little day of crappie fishing. Not as good as it should have been. I just couldn't get them to bite. They were super stubborn. So we're gonna head to the house. And I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Well, we're gonna clean the fish, and then I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Hold it tight.
Okay. I'm going up here.
Yeah, hold it. Put your thumb right here.
Okay.
There you go. There you go.
Is she ready?
Alright guys, using the old timer again. They are, like I said in the last video, best fillet knife I've ever had, electric fillet knife. And we're just taking the sides off these crappie. Pick it up. So I'm going to show you how I do this after this plane passes. It's passed enough. Right behind the peg fin, go down to the backbone. Stop, and then turn your blade and go all the way down to the tail. Stop, flip it. Run the meat off, and then you want to cut your ribs out. A little piece of meat on that side of the ribs as well. Cat food. That's a clean crappie fillet. Now I gotta repeat that a few more times, and that's it. So, y'all leave it in the comments how you think I should cook this. We'll try to do it on the next one. I don't know how we're gonna cook it yet, but I'm starving, so I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Alrighty, I am back at the house. The fish are cleaned, and now it's time to eat some dinner. Now, not lunch. Angel and the boys are not here right now, so I'm just gonna make a few fillets for me. Got 4 fillets set out, and this is a really simple recipe that's super good. You can eat it with rice. You can eat it with like quinoa, kind of starch. You can eat it with potatoes, stuff like that. I'm just gonna eat fish because that's all I really care to eat right now. So all you want to do is take some mayonnaise. You want a glass dish that you can put in the oven. Set your oven to 350, and you're just gonna put a little mayonnaise in the bottom. That'll grease it all up. And you're gonna want to lay your fillets on the mayonnaise, just like that. Lay your fillets in there, and then you're going to want to put a coat of seasoning, whatever seasoning you like. I'm going to use some Critter Glitter fish and fowl, and then you're going to put another coat of mayonnaise on top of that. So let me get the seasoning on there, and then we'll put the mayonnaise on. You want to slap some more mayonnaise on there. Kind of hard to do this one-handed, but and this will all kind of melt in as well. Make sure you get enough mayonnaise in there because you don't want to put that spoon back in the mayonnaise jar with all that seasoning. So just like that, and then pop it in the oven for about 10 minutes. We'll pull her out, give her a taste test, and see what it tastes like. It's been a while since I've done this recipe. I used to do it a lot just because it's so easy. You don't have to go through getting oil out and breading the crappie and frying it and all that. That's kind of time consuming. So this is a really simple, easy recipe that tastes good. So I'll see y'all when they're done, and we'll do a taste test. All right, look at the beautiful flaky crappie. Let's give it a taste. You can smell the mayonnaise, but I promise you can't taste it. It sounds weird. Same with mustard. If you like fry or roll your crappie in mustard and then fry it, you can't taste the mustard. It's just like adds a fattiness to it. All right, 1 out of 10. Mayo crappie baked in the oven with Critter Glitter fish and fowl. Pretty delicious. Especially with rice. It would be, it's awesome on rice. The mayonnaise gives it kind of like a creaminess, but you don't taste the mayonnaise. You just taste amazing fish, seasoned fish. It really is good. Some pasta as well. Never done that, but that would be delicious. I'm gonna give that a solid like 8 for crappie. Got to go high 9s for fried crappie just because that's the best way to eat crappie. But for an alternative way to cook it, that's fast, easy, and delicious, this is probably in the top. So y'all stay tuned. Crappie season is just getting started. I've said that multiple times, but we have a lot of other stuff going on as well. Going to the mountains here soon to do some fly fishing. So y'all stay tuned for the next couple videos, and then we'll be back for crappie and pig hunting and exotics and all that good stuff. So hope you guys enjoy this episode. Leave it in the comments what you guys want to see next, and we will try our best to get it done. Until next time, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and remember, eat good.